Hey everyone, Joffrey here, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of foldable smartphone with the Motorola Razr 50. This device is a fresh take on the iconic Razr design, and we are here to give you my first impression and a quick review. But before that, if you are new here, subscribe for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. First up, the design. The Razr 50 retains that classic clamshell look we know and love, but with a modern twist. There are three stylish colors to choose from, all finished with a grippy silicone polymer eco leather back that feels great in your hand. Slim and light as well, with 7.3mm once unfolded and 15.9mm once folded without a gap in between, and 188 grams only. The big improvement here is the cover display. It's significantly larger than previous Razr models, making it a true secondary screen for notifications, emails, and even light multitasking, and all the apps are working on cover screen without limitations. Speaking of the display, both the inner and outer screen are top-notch. With 3.6-inch cover AMOLED display, supports 90Hz refresh rate and up to 1700 nits peak brightness, and a 6.9-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus supports, and up to whopping 3000 nits peak brightness. Both screens are vibrant, offer sharp details, and get plenty bright even outdoors. Motorola seems to have minimized the crease on the main foldable display too, making for a smoother viewing experience. Moving on with its performance, under the hood, the Razr 50 packs a punch with the latest MediaTek Dimensity 7300X, a 4nm chipset with the clock speed of octa-core 2.5 GHz. This paired with 8GB of RAM should deliver smooth performance for everyday tasks and even some gaming. Storage is ample at 256GB, so you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. Now, the camera system is also decent, equipped with dual camera system consisting of 50MP main sensor, 13MP ultra-wide that captures good photos in daylight, but low-light performance could be better. And the 32MP front-facing camera is perfect for selfies and video calls as well. In terms of durability, Motorola has stepped up its game with the Razr 50, offering IPX8 water resistant and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The hinge also feels sturdy and is rated for hundreds of thousands of folds. Battery life seems decent so far, with 4200 mAh battery that supports 30 watts fast charging and 15 watts wireless. This means your phone can handle elements and everyday wear and tear much better than before. One of the most appealing aspects of the Razr 50 is its price. At 2,300 dirham here in Dubai, it's positioned as a more affordable entry into the foldable phone market without skimping on the features that matter most. Now here's my final verdict. Overall, the Motorola Razr 50 is a compelling option for those seeking a stylish and functional foldable phone. The larger cover display, powerful performance, and improved durability make it a significant upgrade over previous Razr models. If you're looking for a phone that stands out from the crowd, the Razr 50 is definitely worth considering. Alright, that's it, our first look and quick review of the Motorola Razr 50. If you enjoyed the quick review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.